Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. I'm so excited that you decided to stop by and check us out. On this channel, I'm here to give you all kinds of great meal ideas and fantastic desserts. It's your lucky day because we're making Grandma's pecan pie. And I'm not talking about just some old lady called Grandma, I'm talking about my grandma. We'll start off easy, as we already are. We'll build up our confidence, and as Julia Child would say, we'll move out of the kindergarten. I love Julia Child. Just like Julia Child would do it, it's a horrible thing and nobody should have it. I'm just gonna throw it. I do have all these great cookbooks here and tons more. So I'm here to help you with everything cooking. You told me you wanted all cooking all the time, and here we are. So sit down, grab your coffee, watch a video, laugh with me and say, that happened to me too. Recipe, which I taught you how to make in the quick tips. Life happens, and it'll happen to you. Drop a line in the comments below, tell me all about it. I hope you'll subscribe and join us. I hope you'll tell your friends. And if you happen to have a kitchen air conditioner in your house like I do, you'll appreciate the little buzz in the background from time to time. It's almost summer in the deep south, and it gets hotter than a frying pan. Yes, we have central air, but when you're cooking with two ovens, it doesn't always cut it. I taught elementary school for 10 years. I have a great sense of humor. I know how to break down steps. Let it mix for a second so that you don't have powder flying everywhere. Oh, okay, I just broke my own rule. And it went, I'll help you build up your confidence, and you can do anything. Julia Child taught me that. And I love her saying, if something happens in the kitchen, if you're alone in the kitchen, who's going to see? I kind of feel that way too. By the way, you might even see a little dust and dirt from time to time. Why is that? Because this is a real house, just like yours. Nothing special here, just a retired school teacher keeping it real. New videos are released every Tuesday and Thursday. I schedule my videos at 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. For those people that get up to go to work early, if you need something to watch while you're drinking your coffee, check me out. I like to teach and share things with a sense of humor, because if you're bored, you're gonna go, bye-bye. And I want you to say, hello. Drop me a line in the comments below, introduce yourself. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me.